Okay, last video for today. I am going to show you how to make a roller bottle blend for, it's called Seasonal Zen, for fall allergies. So if you're one of those people that are sniffling and sneezing and dealing with some of the cedar wood and the pollen in the air, I'm going to show you how to make an easy travel roller bottle for seasonal support. Okay, and it's really just using 3 essential oils from doTERRA. The first one is lemon. Lemon is very cleansing, and we are going to add, we are going to add 10 drops of lemon to our 5 milliliter roller bottle. Okay, and then we're going to go with peppermint, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add 10 drops. Okay. And then we're going to go with lavender. These are the 3 go-to oils for seasonal support. And 10 drops of each is all you need. Okay, and then you're going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil. Okay, and then you're going to just pop the roller ball right on. And you're going to roll this on your neck, on the back of your neck, on the front, right here by your collarbone. You're gonna roll it on your wrist anytime you feel the sniffles coming on, and use it for seasonal support. So that's how you make your 5 milliliter roller bottle blend with essential oils, natural remedies to support your health for fall allergies, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at leann@groovybeads.com.